In a quiet town, Arin, an old clockmaker, works on repairing a massive town clock that has stopped ticking for years. Everyone mocks him. It's too late, they say. But day after day, Arin shows up polishing gears, adjusting pendulums, and listening to the whispers of time itself. One morning, as the sun rises, the clock finally ticks again, echoing through the whole town. People pause, realizing how much they had forgotten the rhythm of time itself. Moral: true patience doesn't just wait. It works while waiting. Some listen to the ticking of time, while others spend their lives fixing it. In a quiet town stood a workshop filled with dust and forgotten clocks. Inside, an old clockmaker named Arin worked every day, polishing gears, tightening screws, and listening to the silence between each second. The villagers said he was wasting time. "The clock is gone forever," they whispered. But Arin never stopped, because to him, time was a friend worth waiting for. Each morning, a little girl named Lyra visited him with a cup of tea and a smile. "One day it will tick again," she said. And every time she said it, Arin believed her. Then one golden morning, with trembling hands, Arin turned the final screw. The pendulum swung once, then twice, and the great clock came to life. Bells rang through the town, and for the first time in years, everyone stopped to listen. Patience isn't waiting. It's believing while you work, because those who tend to time with care are the ones time never forgets. Day 6, the Time Investor Series. Because every second counts,